today's video, we're going to be talking about Microsoft Teams for consumer. If you're not familiar with Microsoft Teams, it is a single pane of glass that brings together all of Microsoft's productivity suite. So think Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Skype for Business, calls, chat, live type communication, and so much more. And it's taken the business and education world by storm in the past few months. I'm excited about the prospects of Microsoft Teams for consumer because I can see it filling a niche for a lot of smaller community groups. I'm thinking along the lines of whether it be soccer clubs, book clubs, or even families planning a holiday. I know when I traveled overseas, everything I did was in OneNote. It's where I stored my itinerary, the flight schedule, even personal documents, because everything was on the cloud. It was shareable with the people that I was traveling with, and it was really, really easy. I feel that Microsoft Teams for consumer is going to build off the success that people have found in OneNote and start to incorporate the lifetime communication of chat, video calls, all within the single pane of glass, just like they've done for businesses, but now they're bringing it to consumer too. If you want to try out Microsoft Teams for consumer, it's available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. You can't get it yet on full desktop computers. Hopefully this comes out in the next few weeks. Microsoft Teams for consumer works off the same Microsoft Teams app. So if you already have it downloaded for work, all you have to do is go into your profiles and add your personal Microsoft account. If you don't use it for work, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store, download it from there, and sign in with your Microsoft account, your Hotmail, your Outlook, whatever it may be. I'm excited about the prospect of Microsoft Teams for consumer. I'm going to use it for the next few weeks and see where it fits in my life and what it can make easier. And I'll post a full review. What do you guys think? How are you going to use it, and where can you see it adding benefit to your home life? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.